exciting nito. Kasi ngayon naman makakasama at makakakwentuhan natin ang dalawa sa stars ng upcoming Regal Horror Suspense Drama Mystery Movie. Regal Horror Suspense Drama Mystery Movie na, The Caretakers. Kaya naman please welcome Kuya Jake Taylor and Inka Magnaye!
Thank you so much for having us on the show today.
Hello, Inka and Sir Jake. Hello po. Welcome to iWant ASAP. Let's go! Please greet our online squad mates watching right now.
Hi, squad mates. How are you? Welcome to the show.
Yes.
Hello, hello. Thank you so much for having me here.
I have to say, it is a miracle today. A miracle has happened.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Actually, two in one day.
Oh.
One, I've always wanted to meet you.
Oh, come on.
Number two, I have found a white man that speaks Tagalog better than me. I am so happy. Because
Magtagalog
I've
na kayo.
watched so many of your videos and I'm like, yes!
Sige,
Kababayan!
mas magaling niyo. Eto, magtagalog na kayo.
Oo, Tagalog na ngayon. Challenge.
Di sapat yung pera, bro. Di
Nahanap
sapat
ka na ng tutor.
Actually, I love it. I love it as well. So thank you for loving the heart as well of the Philippines. But there's so much of the heart to share of the Caretakers.
Yes, di ba, Emilio?
Kaya dito na rin sila.
Kasi nakita na namin yung trailer of The Caretakers.
Oh.
And grabe yung takot and suspense na na-feel ko. What can you share about it? How has it been? Are you still filming? And what can you share more about the project?
Okay, so
Suspense drama mystery.
yes, it's everything. It's everything basically.
Lahat.
Did you know that while we were filming, because we're not filming anymore, but while we were filming, nabati ako. That's what they
No
call
way.
it. Yeah, that's what
Nabati
they
ka
call
ng...
No, something.
Oh
I don't
my
know.
gosh.
Yeah. No, kasi there's a lot of screaming, right? Which was like my favorite part. Grabe. Like, it's always been a dream of mine na
Ang galing
sumigaw
niya
sa
mag-scream.
horror. Thank you.
Galing sumigaw.
What do you
Iconic
scream po?
na-
Do you want me to do it here?
Yes!
Sample ng screen.
You'll find out.
Abangan.
Paabangan. Pero, I think because I kept screaming over and over again, kasi ba, take one, take two, okay, isa pang angle, sigaw, ulit, ganyan. I think yung mga spirits sa forest where we were,
Nakakatakot.
na ano sila, parang
Oh.
naingayan sila. Sabi, ano ba to? Ingay-ingay na to. I got the chills. Ang taas ng fever ko. No, nothing. Nagpa-test ako. Wala.
Wala.
My body was painful. In between filming, I would just be in the tent, diba? Nakahiga
I
ako
witnessed
ganun.
it. I witnessed it.
You did.
We are both.
Okay, just
Alam
check.
mo, di ba hindi ka na iWant host?
What are you doing here?
The person you wanted to meet siya pa nagsabi.
No, I was just asking, why are you here?
Kasi parang yung spirits nandito pa rin eh. Nandito ata.
He was called. He was called.
was called
to come.
to rebuke.
Ano, hindi niya hinahawakan
Hindi,
niya
pero
hand ko.
may mga ganun spaces eh. Pagpasok mo, have you guys experienced that? Where you haven't been there before, you never know it, pero pagpasok niyo parang there's something
Oo.
wrong with this, my
Yeah.
eerie, my spooky, and you felt that
Oh yeah,
sa set.
for sure. Because it wasn't just the set eh. How do you say it? Dumalo kami sa province talaga. Diba? It was an
Bumisita ba?
old house.
She knows where to look when she needs Tagalog words.
Oo.
She doesn't look at us.
Bumisita.
She said,
Bumisita. Bumisita.
Tama.
Dito tayo sa Pinoy. Dito tayo sa Pinoy.
Pero grabe, nakakatakot talaga. Kasi forest, like deep into the province, really old house. There was
Middle of
even
nowhere.
Yeah.
my
And there was
gosh.
even a part of the house where, sabi nila, diba, parang, don't look there. Kasi parang may weird thing doon, diba? That,
Remember, when we're filming, I had to point a couple times. You shouldn't point,
yeah.
sabi mo.
I said, don't point.
Don't point.
Because I think that's what happened to me, kaya ako nabate. Kasi
'Cause I pointed.
I was pointing.
Kasi siya yung-
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna take that
Because I
crazy.
If you had an
Ikaw, ha?
experience, did you also have an experience while you guys were filming?
I was just happy to be there.
Okay.
Masaya lang siya. Masaya lang talaga siya.
Looking around like, oh, I love
Masaya lang
this.
siya.
Sabi ko,
It's the energy that he gives off.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, but please, can you tell us more about the movie? What it's about, how it's gonna go.
So we did this thing. Though. How do you explain the plot of Caretakers in 15 seconds? What did you say?
I did it from my perspective, and as an American, happy to be in the Philippines, happy-go-lucky, I was clueless. I didn't know what was going on. I knew what was going on, but as acting, I didn't know what was going on.
Right.
And like I said, I was just happy to be there. So.
Right, right. I think the movie is very much like what I love about Pinoy movies is na horror films, it's so close to your heart because when you watch a foreign horror film, parang hindi ka makarelate masyado kasi we don't live there.
Yeah,
Hindi naman
that's
natin
right.
na-experience yung mga folklore nila.
Yeah.
Pero pag Filipino horror film, ramdam na ramdam mo talaga because it's so close to you.
Yeah, the
Ako,
familiarity.
close
And
to me
that's
daw.
what you're going to...
Malapit daw
It's
sa'yo.
right
Kaming
there.
dalawa. Kaya mas nakakatakot ngayon yung mga Pinoy film no? Kasi
Yes.
parang mas na-experience mo ba?
Oo.
Kesa dun sa ibang culture.
Oo.
Yeah.
So parang ganon. Like, we've all experienced going with our families to our provincial home. Diba? That was the ancestral home that's been in the family for a long time.
Yeah.
And then, something happens that you never expect.
That's why I'm not looking at you. Natakot na ako when you
AC,
started
ang
to
ganda
sing.
ng boses
That's the
ni Miss
reason why
Inka,
I'm
no?
here.
Kaya, do you not know?
Grabe.
Miss Inka, she's not new to acting, of course,
No.
but we all know her because she is a voice-over
nako.
artist.
Palagi nagtatrending yan sa TikTok,
Yo.
di ba,
Lagi.
Ray?
Yo, I always see it on my For You page. Okay, give a sample
Always.
over there.
Oh, thank you. Mabuhay and
Oy.
welcome to iWant TV.
Yeah!
Yeah! Opo, but yun nga po, you're not new to acting. If you guys didn't know, magkasama kami ni Ate Inka sa High Street. Pero, never kami nag-scene together. But we were there together. But yes, this is not your first acting. So I'm just curious, is this your first horror movie?
It's my first horror movie na film. Because I've done yung serye. I also did a short film before, pero like 15 minutes lang yun. And it was like on YouTube and stuff. So this one is like an actual set, an actual feature-length film. Now horror pa, as a horror fan, sobrang exciting. How about you?
Oh, absolutely. This is my first project ever.
Wow! Congratulations! That's huge.
Yeah, of course, I do my vlogging for the last few years, but this was my first time being on set, first time being around artista, as you can say, and especially in the Philippines. I guess it became part of my dream. I'm so involved in Filipino culture as it is, but being on the set and just being there was just an incredible experience for me. So yeah, it was my first movie, a bit
know, what a
nerve-wracking.
first project, diba?
Was there a moment where it's like a welcome to the industry moment, like where you're like, oh gosh, this is it, this is real? And
There was, yes. I mean, meeting the directors was very surreal. I mean, when I first walked into the tent, I saw Inka. I was like, oh my gosh, I've seen her so many times.
Come on.
Everyone's fangirling over Inka.
Stop it.
But yeah, I think just meeting everyone, and then in walks Isa Cruzado,
man.
Dimples
yeah. I
Romana.
know. Oh, man.
And I'm
Oh,
just like,
sure.
oh wow,
Grabe.
Legends.
This is happening.
Yeah.
I couldn't believe it. It was amazing.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Pero alam ko we're promoting your horror movie, pero kakatapos lang ng Valentine's Day. So ang tanong ko for you guys, ano ang pinaka kinatatakutan nyo pagdating sa love and relationships?
Ayan na
Diba?
tayo.
Na pwede
Wow.
natin
Na,
i-share.
naput
Isang
yung
request
horror
ako.
tsaka
Oo.
Valentine's.
Diba?
Horror tas
Grabe
Valentine's
yun.
Emilio.
For some people, it's the same thing.
It's one day.
Oh,
So,
no!
so true.
Same thing.
Love can be scary, right?
Diba? How about you? What's your answer to
Well,
that?
ang tanong po ba is, sino ang nag-spend ng Valentine's Day alone?
Ayun.
Siguro nakakatakot yan.
Kasi diba sabi nila, Valentine's Day is also Single Awareness Day.
Totoo.
Yes.
Parang
That's
feel na
true.
feel mo.
Single.
I feel if spending Valentine's Day alone is a fear, I have overcome.
Wow.
Wow.
Many times.
I think all of us
Huh?
Good
have,
job,
no?
All of us
Edward.
have. All
Proud
of
of
us?
you.
All of us?
All of us.
right?
All, okay.
All
just
of
making
us.
sure.
sinama mo pa kami.
Ay, How about you, Inga? What do you think?
Oh no, well, Jake and I are both happily taken. So,
Oh.
we're good.
Wala tayo dito.
Oh.
Dapat hindi nagtanong. Sino naglagay ng question na
Ako
yun?
kasi nagtanong eh. Sorry
Anong
na.
point?
I
Sorry
want
na.
ASAP. I
Ay,
want
nako.
justice.
Sensya na
Parang
po.
tinanong yun para sa atin eh. Hindi tayo. Okay sila eh. Okay sila.
Okay naman sila eh. Ba't ka hindi
Chine-trigger ako eh. Chine-trigger ako dito eh.
Tanong pa tayo.
Congrats. Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Kaya
Etiko!
I think
Kaya
we're-
nagtanong niya na. Hindi kami.
No, but a fear when it comes to love in general, kahit di Valentine's Day.
A fear when it comes to love in general, I think, would be because they say, diba, if people are always afraid to be alone, but I think what you should be afraid of is if you are with someone who never sees or understands you.
The wrong person.
Wow, I-
Yeah.
Perfect,
I
perfect.
legit just got chills from that. I like that one.
That's
I
the
like that
spirit.
Yeah.
That's the spirit.
No, but that's true. It's I heard a married man say it's better to be alone and single than alone and married.
Yes.
Alone in your marriage.
Yes.
Pero ang
That's deep.
assurance namin sa lahat ng mga viewers ngayon, if you watch The Caretakers, you will not be alone.
Tama
Wherever you go, sa cinema man yun, make sure you're not alone when you watch it with your friends, your
Even when
family.
you are alone, you are not alone.
Oh no!
Sino
You
ba
are
yung
never
Ayoko
really
na
alone.
dito, Edward!
Bata pa rin to. Baka matakot. She lives alone. Ano sila dyan? Does she?
Yes, I do.
Sometimes.
Sometimes I feel them. Sometimes they're just not there.
Ah, there you go.
Okay, that's another
That's a
thing.
topic for another time. You see, that's
We'll
okay.
call our therapist for that one. But Inka, of course, you guys can invite everyone to watch The Caretakers.
They will claim what's theirs. The Caretakers, showing on February 26th in cinemas nationwide.
This is
Amazing.
starring Iza Calzado, Dimples Romana. Sama-sama kami, of course, Inka and Jake. No, I'm Inka, not you. Yes, Inka and Jake. Kasama rin si Marco Masa, Ashley Sarmiento, Althea Ruedas, Rica Clemente, and this is directed by Shugo Braico.
Direct
This is from
Shugo.
Regal Films and
Grabe.
Rain Entertainment.
Rain.
Wow.
Oh.
Let it
Yes,
rain. Let
and
it
Rain
rain.
Entertainment is also Direct Lino,
Yes!
who is also High Street. Yes.
Thanks, Direct.
Well, make sure to watch it, enjoy it, and we want to thank, of course, Inka. Of course, Jake, thank you so much for coming here
Thank
as
you
well.
so much. A pleasure.
And I have a feeling that we're gonna be talking about this even after you guys have left.
Yeah.
Guys, na-feel nyo ba yung
Oh, I'm
goosebumps?
glad, I'm
Oy.
glad.
You'll feel it.
All
You'll
is
feel it.
Pero mapifeel pa rin natin ang goosebumps when we head over to
Kapamilya
Kapamilya Online Live! See you over there, Squad mates.
Kuya Jake!
Hi!